Alright guys, so I bought a new keyboard. It's a Razer Ornata Chroma. It's a membrane keyboard. Saw it was on sale at Walmart, so I picked it up because I kind of was in need of a new one. And it sounded pretty nice for a membrane. So we're gonna do an unboxing with you guys here. Very clean. In here we have a little booklet, and a little
what even
paper.
is that?
I don't know. Picture. There's a user's manual and two nice stickers. I like these Razer stickers a lot. And we have the keyboard. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pull this out and pull this up. And then you can just pull the keyboard out. It's got these nice foam protectors on here. That's up for some reason. Quality packaging. And this cover on here. It sounds pretty nice. The arrow keys do seem to be a little more worn down, probably because people walked by and clicked it. But that's alright, I'll get them cleaned up. And then in the bottom here, we've got this wrist rest. Just throw that over there. We're done with that box. Alright, this looks rather nice. I do like Razer products. It's got a magnetic wrist rest. It's very nice. Pretty sturdy too. Nice little cable tie on there. Very long cord. It's nice braided. Looks like
Very nice braided.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. Oh, and I forgot to mention, well, I mean, I kind of did mention, but there's these, and there's little cable routing routes on here, depending on which direction you want it to go to make it look better on your desk. So, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. Alright guys, so we booted it up, and I have Razer Chroma open, and I have this nice, I think it's called the wheel pattern. It looks rather nice. There's this, it kind of looks like it should be like a little touch screen, but it's not. It just lights up as you click, like scroll out, caps lock. It has macro mode and gaming mode, which I'm pretty sure gaming mode just disables the Windows key. Alright, and I think that's gonna be it for this unboxing experience. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned to our next video.